Okay, I have a call about hot water tank keeps going out. So the other maintenance came and lit it like 4 times and still going out. I asked him if he tried to clean the thermopile. It's like a pilot assembly, and he said no, he just keep relighting it. Well, I told him you probably need to take the pilot assembly out and figure, maybe it's going out because the thermopile is dirty. So sometimes you need to use a steel wool or something that you can just take out the soot around it so it could sense the flame. So that's what we're going to do today, or for now, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to start disassembling it, and I'll show you guys what the inside looked like. So first is first. Make sure you shut the gas off. Alright, and then start disconnecting the wires. Okay, that's that. And then there's 2 screws on the side holding the whole pilot assembly with the burner. Okay, once you got the 2 screws holding it on both sides, just wiggle this out, and that's your pilot assembly. See how white that covering the thermopile? So even if you keep relighting it, it will light, but the minute, a couple of heat up, 2-3 days later, it will go out again. So what I do is I got a steel wool, kind of brush it off, clean it up. Most of the time it works, but other times it doesn't, so you're just gonna have to replace it. So let me clean this up, then we'll put everything back together and see if it stays on this time. Okay, got it all cleaned up. See the difference now? Okay, I'm gonna slide it in and I know why the maintenance guy wants to come every day and relight it, because he don't want to do the hard part. He just want to do the easy job, relighting it. Comes on, but every day, almost every day, you're gonna come and relight it. Why not fix it right and just light it once? You don't have to come every day. So everything is hooked up back the way it was. Make sure everything's tight, especially where the pilot tube is and your main pipe for the burner. Okay, turn your gas back on, turn the knob to pilot and hold on to it. Let the air go through till the natural gas hits the pilot, and then we'll ignite it and light it up. So let's see if it's lit. Yeah, I see the pilot, and I just heard it click. So we're blinking. So I'm gonna let it go. Still blinking. And let's turn it to hot. And that's what you want, blue flame. And we're done. Hopefully she stays on. Thanks for watching.